Hi, I'm Colin. I want to show you the new Omi. This is now shipping. You can go to omi.me and buy it right now. It comes with this necklace with a nice gold metal clasp. It also has a nice little metal or little transparent plastic protector that connects it to the necklace. And you can see it's red right now. And when I connect my phone to it, it will turn blue. And then if I want to turn it off, I can just push the button and it turns off. So it's easy enough to operate. Anyone can figure out how to use this device. It connects right to your iPhone or Android. It also now connects to your Mac OS desktop or Windows desktop or laptop. So I'll show you real quick what that software looks like. So you can see it goes through all the colors and it connects there. So this is the software on the side, so I can see my conversation view. And right here, I can see the start recording button, and I can see my previous conversations. So I can see the team discusses meeting notes. I can see my planning an event right here. I can see a conversation with my girlfriend, selecting which photos to post on Instagram. And you can see speaker A and speaker B. So I can actually go in here and actually train it on my voice. So I can teach it what my voice sounds like and teach it what multiple people's voice sounds like. So that improves its accuracy and also helps keep track of multiple people. And you can set it so that it doesn't record some people. Also, you can chat with your memories. So this is a really important part is we're doing more than just providing note taking. The Omi actually can come with its own personality. So I can actually connect to ChatGPT. I can have any number of apps in here. ChatGPT is pretty great. I can say, hey, give me a summary of the crypto summit that I was planning and all the action items I need to take. And you can see the key points summarized by ChatGPT. And it actually summarizes multiple conversations. So whereas the conversation view, you can see the conversations that I had. I had 3 different conversations, but the chat GPT in the chat view actually combines all 3 conversations and kind of summarizes it all. This is really important if you have a lot of conversations about the same subject or project. Also, it distills the concepts and the information from those conversations into what we call memories. And then I can review those memories. So I actually have 4 memories waiting for review. So I can review those memories right here. You can see there's a memory Zuzu, my sister's dog, was on the bed. You can see I was planning a photo album for Instagram. And you can see an idea here. Colin can train the Omi necklace to recognize his voice and other voices. So I'm going to approve each one of these memories. Also, the camera needs light coming from the front for clarity. So you can see I just approved all those memories, and now they're saved in here, and I can sort through which ones are interesting, and I can see all of them. So this is just the interesting memories versus the all memories, as well as I can see the system memories. So it's interesting. I can also search across all of my memories, so I can actually access information that I've gathered over the course of the last 9-10 months that I've been wearing the Omi. Also, maybe most importantly for my work, it tracks our action items. So I can see all the action items that I've gathered here. So like Colo, that's my nickname. To draft and circulate a summit agenda. That's an important task that I need to do. It looks like I got to do it this week. So time to get on that. And move a desk into the office before the big event. Join a call with Gabby. Find the Wells Fargo card. So you can see all these important action items. I've got 36 pending tasks. Really need to get on that. But really, the power of Omi is that it's open source and that you can build on top of it. So the most important part is the app store inside of Omi. So you can see which apps I've installed, as well as you can see the apps that I've created. So I created my own clone of myself here, and you can do that too. You can actually just go to the top right, click Create App, and you can create your own app right here. So you can go and basically add your own app to the App Store that other people can pay for or use freely, and you can give it a life of its own. So you can add it a personality, and you can also take that data out. So an important aspect of this is that this data is your data. So if you want to have access to it, all you do is click External Integration and say, I want to be able to read conversations and read memories, create conversations and create memories, as well as I can send all of the transcripts directly to whatever server I want. So it's a really nice feature. If you want your data out, you have that capability. And of course, you can choose to make it public or make it private. And you can submit this app to make it, that's just to agree to the terms and conditions. The same goes for your memories. You can set these to make them public or keep them private. So you can set public or private, interesting or not interesting. As well for the chat, this is all connecting to different chat apps. So if you add an app in here, you're giving some access to that app to your memories. So you want to be careful about who you add in there. And then in the conversations, this is all private to you, so no one else can see your conversations unless you add an app in here and you give rights to that app to actually read your conversations. So again, the device is really small and easy to use. It connects directly to your Mac OS or Windows desktop, as well as your iPad, your iOS or Android device. So I hope you enjoyed this little demo. Thank you.